Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 9th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I still think it's extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3, and I think that we can even see the subdivision inside the wave 3, like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, 5 of wave 3. We also recently took out these highs over here, so you would think that at some point very soon it probably would start a wave 4 and go back up eventually for a wave 5 just to finish off this trend that started back there. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, like I said, I think we are maybe getting close to ending a wave 3, but I definitely do not see any evidence that it's over yet. I did get a pretty good big Fibonacci bounce. We got a big Fib bounce last week, but we have no breaker structure. We have no lower high. We really have no evidence at all that the wave 3 is actually over yet. So we have to be cautious. These yen pairs have been in an uptrend for about 4 years, and there's really nothing stopping them from continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame definitely very impulsive down. It would make you think this is an A. I would think this is a B, and I would think that this would go down again for a wave C. Maybe even turn into a much bigger pattern for that big wave 4 that we're expecting. But with the yen pairs especially, you have to be careful because this has been an uptrend for so long that it easily could just keep on trending up and it could easily go up and make new highs. So keeping that in mind because it is important, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here because like I said, it could end up being a wave B or maybe even a wave 2. So if we do get like a three-way pattern up, two-way Fibonacci retracement level, which at this point I think would have to be the 61% probably just to take out these previous highs. Maybe end up looking something like that. If we do see that picture, if we see it make a nice big engulfing break or structure to the downside, then I would definitely go short. I would definitely at that point start looking for shorts for the continuation of the move down. But otherwise, if you do not see this picture, then do not go short because it's easily could just keep on trending up and it could easily eventually just make a new high. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, this is definitely a trend. It's definitely higher highs, higher lows. I would think that this would be either a wave A or a 1. I would also think at some point it would make a correction to this trend, which would most likely be either a wave B or a wave 2. Then on the third wave, if we see it go up to a fib level, then break structure in a big way to the downside, then that would prove to me that it's a wave C and I would stop looking for longs and I would stop looking for shorts again. On the other hand, if it really is a wave 3, then it may bounce from fib levels, but it will not break structure, and it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. Like I said, I honestly would not be surprised if this did just keep on trending up since we are in a 4 year uptrend. It may end up being a wave B or a wave 2, but it just as easily could be the continuation of the uptrend. So I would definitely look for longs unless you saw a nice Fibonacci bounce with a nice breaker structure after making 3 waves up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all the swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.